You understand English, but you can't speak it. This video is for you. Hello, I'm Jace here, and today I'm going to help you speak English like a native using a technique called shadowing. Just watch this video and repeat after me, okay? Let's go.
What happened?
Ellie, today I'm not in the mood.
Why?
I'm feeling blue.
You're feeling what?
I'm feeling blue, just like I'm wearing blue.
What do you mean?
It means I feel sad, I feel depressed. Yeah,
I'm feeling blue.
I'm feeling blue. Yeah.
I feel blue too.
No, you're wearing blue, but I'm feeling blue. They're different, I mean. Yeah.
Why are you blue?
I'm not
red?
blue, I'm feeling blue. If I'll be a red, I'm going to kill someone. Yeah, but today I'm feeling blue. I like visited my therapist in the morning, but I mean he said lots of things, and I try to be like less blue, but still I'm in the blue zone. So yeah, just
Feel light blue.
yeah, it looks like
Feel light blue.
yeah, okay, I'm gonna. I mean, I try. Daniel wants to buy a monkey.
What?
Daniel, you know Daniel, right? He said, I want to buy a monkey.
Monkey?
Yes, I said, hey, why a monkey? He said, hey, I love monkeys, they're cute. And you know what I said? I said, hey, I'm in a loss for words.
You're what?
I'm in a loss for words.
I'm in a loss for words.
Yeah,
What
it
do you
means I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. Monkey? Maybe like a cat or a dog or a parrot.
mean? You like a snake.
I'm different. Don't compare Daniel like to me. Yes, I
But
like.
snake is easier to keep than monkey.
Yes, monkeys are dirty, and monkeys.
Are so intelligent.
No, they're not, and
They are.
and
They are
they're
hard to, I don't know,
like
discuss or.
how to discuss. I mean, can you like discuss like with a monkey?
They are intelligent.
Yeah, but I mean, they're dirty. They're rude. You know why? Because one of my friends, he had a monkey, and he said whenever the monkey like see one of my lady friends, he was going to. I mean, he did something bad. I mean, all the time with himself. I'm not gonna tell you what, but yeah, and they're so rude. Nothing. I mean, you cannot put. I mean, like have a monkey in your house, and
They should be in the jungle.
or zoo.
Yeah, or zoo.
We're not
but
animal
not in our
activists,
home.
but yeah, but not in our home. Like maybe a snake, but not a monkey, my friend. Yeah. I'm waiting for a call, and a very important call, like work related. And let me tell you, I'm pulling my hair out.
You do what?
I'm pulling my hair out. I mean, I don't have much hair, but I mean, it means I'm stressed. Yeah.
I'm pulling my hair out.
Not hair, hair.
Hair.
Yeah, that hair. I mean, not this hair, like that hair. Okay, I'm pulling my hair out.
I'm pulling my hair out.
Not hair out, no. Hair out.
Hair out.
Yeah. I mean, you are going to talk like a native, right?
Yeah.
So a native does not say, I'm going to my hair out. No. Like pulling my hair out.
Pulling my hair out. I'm pulling my
Even
hair
not out. You can even say out. Like, yeah, like I'm pulling my hair out. I mean, it's stress.
Pulling my hair out.
Yeah. I mean, maybe I had to say these things to my therapist. Ellie, I'm on edge. I'm on edge.
On what?
I'm on edge.
What do you mean?
I'm very anxious.
I'm on edge?
Yes, I'm on edge. It means I'm anxious. I'm stressed. I'm worried. I'm worried
on edge.
sick. Yeah.
I'm always on edge.
Yeah, you're always on edge. Like edge is on you, I think. But yeah.
Me and Edge.
Yeah.
We are living together.
Yeah, you're living with Edge. Like there was a wrestler in like WrestleMania. It was like called The Edge. Yeah, I think that's your
That's my family.
yeah, it's your brother. And yeah, actually, I'm anxious and I don't know what to do.
Edge.
I'm on edge. Yeah,
Edge.
yeah. Like here is the edge.
Yeah.
You're here. You're about to fall. So I'm on edge. Yeah. So Ellie, finally, that person called.
What happened?
Yeah. I mean, I've got good news. So now I'm feeling like $1,000,000.
You what?
I'm feeling like $1,000,000. It means
Feeling like a
like
million.
I'm very happy. Yeah.
I'm feeling like $1,000,000.
Yeah. Did I tell you about last week incident? I lost my keys and I got home and I wanted to like open the door. I was searching for the key and I couldn't find it.
What happened?
I was waiting for my brother. He has like extra key, to like bring it for me. So like a couple of hours, I don't know, but yeah. I mean that 2 hours, I was in a funk.
You what?
I was in a funk.
In a funk?
Yeah.
Where is it?
No, it's not someplace. Like, it means I was in a funk. It means I was feeling low, like unmotivated, low. It means, hey, I don't have mood, waiting for my brother to bring the key. I mean,
Hours?
And yeah, it was cool. I was not wearing lots of things, so yeah, I was in a funk.
I was in a funk.
Yeah. So if you want to say you're feeling low, what you say?
I'm in a funk.
I'm in a funk, yeah. But not like this. I'm in a funk, no.
I'm in a funk.
I'm in a funk. I'm feeling blue. I'm in a funk. I'm feeling down in the dumps. I'm feeling down in the dumps.
Down in the
Dumps. I told you this, remember? You forget about it. No, you forgot it. These days I'm happy. I mean, today I'm feeling blue, but totally, in general, I feel good. But I mean, I'm comparing my life like with 2 years ago. Come on, 2 years ago, I was in a rock bottom.
You what?
I was in a rock bottom. Like, I was in my dark days. This was good. This was like trash, and this was me. And yeah, I was in a rock bottom. It means this.
Bottom.
Not bottom, bottom.
Bottom.
Not button. Button is like, it's a button. Bottom,
What?
like button.
Bottom.
Yeah.
Rock bottom.
Like, yeah, okay, you're gonna get this. I was in a rock bottom, yeah. So, yeah, in general, my life is good right now. And I'm happy. And I appreciate, God. And yeah. But, it's always like this. There are some moments in your life you feel good. And there are some moments in your life you feel bad.
So blue.
Yeah. And yeah, not
Life
even
is not
blue.
like this, it's this.
Yeah, it is cliche, but it's always like this. Like, and there is a thing, whatever, like bad moments you experience in your life, you go higher. I think. I don't know why. If the life like hits you hard, you're gonna get. You're gonna be stronger, and you're gonna go high. It's like there's a code. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Yeah, I do agree with this.
Yeah, I believe it too.
Yeah. These days, I'm as cool as a cucumber. I'm as cool as a cucumber. It means I'm calm. Nothing can stop. Nothing can make me sad.
I'm cool as a cucumber.
Yeah, like a cucumber, supposedly it's cool, I don't know. But yeah, it's cool, right? It's like so cool. You like put it in your like eyes, like your skin. But yeah, nothing can make me sad.
Great.
Maybe just for an hour or for a day, but I mean, not for a week or for a month.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, I'm as cool as a cucumber.
I'm as cool as a cucumber.
Yeah, so cool. I want to do something today. I want to do something fun. I want to like, um, I don't know. I want to buy an album and print my pictures.
Oh, that's so
Yeah. I mean, the last album I had, it was like 10 or 15 years ago. I don't know.
was, I guess, 10 years
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know.
so
Nowadays.
fun.
Yeah, that was
old. Why
beautiful.
don't we do this?
Yes, why don't we do this? It's not that expensive. It's cheap and we can do it. I can print it and you can have it for the rest of
It's
your
not about
life.
money.
Yeah, it's
and
not
we
about
have
money.
we all have phones and
But
we
we lose
so
our
sure-
phones, we
yeah,
lose our
we are so
pictures.
sure
I
that
don't
we
have
the
any pictures from my life, like beside those that we printed.
Yeah.
I don't have any pictures. Like that's the
Really?
worst. Yes.
Oh.
Or even I have it, I'm gonna lose it like 2 years from now, 3 years from now. But when you print it, you can have it for life.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna do that today. And
great
this is the reason I'm happy today. Every day I want to do something that makes me happy. Yeah, my therapist, like he told me this. And yeah, every day I want to I gonna do this. And yeah, today is this plus going to the barber and going to the gym. Like
Oh,
3 things.
you're so motivated today.
Yeah, I am motivated. And before you come here, I meditated. Yeah, I was doing
That's great.
meditation. Yeah, like there, I was doing it. And yeah, and these little things can make anyone happy and get out of blue, you know. Yeah.
I get it. I was there before.
And yeah, I mean, the reason is that, hey, these days, I don't know why, but I don't have any friends and I have to do these things for me. If I had a friend, I mean, he could help me, obviously. But when I'm alone, I'm not just gonna nag. I'm not a nagger. I can't, I mean, I don't nag.
You should pull yourself out of
Yes, I think, hey, if there is something's wrong with your life, you should pull
it.
yourself out, fix it. Like, be man enough, to fix this. So you're on your own, man. Like, I'm telling you, just fix it. You can just do it, I think. Hey, Ellie, I'm over my head.
You're what?
I'm over my head.
Over my head?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
It means I'm in a situation I can't handle.
I'm over my head.
Yeah. What do you think I should do? Not calling my therapist. Yeah.
Time will fix it.
No, it's not something time should fix it.
You should fix it.
Yeah, I should fix it, but I don't know how. I mean, I'm desperate.
No, teacher.
Yeah?
Be motivated.
Yes. Motivated. I can fix it. I mean,
You can fix anything.
I can fix anything. Not my laptop, but I can fix hey, once my father, I mean, it was 10 years ago. I mean, my brother not broke, it was something wrong with our laptop. We couldn't turn it on, okay? My father opened the laptop and he fixed it, but he said, hey, these screws and these things, they're extra. And he said, why? But it worked. I mean, our laptop worked. And I don't know.
If it worked,
Yeah, it was a
was
miracle, I
alright.
think. Yeah, it was a miracle. But yeah, I can do anything. beside my laptop. I can fix anything beside my laptop.
But your father can do that.
My father can do anything. Yeah, actually, I was 6 or 7 once, and I was in my father's workplace, and it was Fridays, I think, or maybe Thursday, I don't know. But um, there were some people, and we wanted to open a door, and my father didn't have the key. And I said, hey, okay, we don't have the key, let's go. And he said, no, always fight for something you need to do, and don't quit. And I don't know, but that hit me hard. And I always remember this. And I always, hey, if there is like something wrong with my life, I should fight. If it didn't work, okay, I accept it. But I fight like
Yeah.
my ass off
I do
for.
my best.
Yeah, I do my best. If it worked, okay. If it didn't, okay. So, yeah.
Even if it didn't work, you're gonna say I did my best.
Yeah, I did my best, so I'm not gonna get regret.
Yeah.
So yeah. Okay, that was all about today. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe my channel because you're gonna need my channel. And if you have any questions, just feel free to ask in the comments. I will answer, I promise. Yeah, thank you for watching till the end. If you have I said any question, just ask me in the comments. Yes. I wanted to tell you this. Watch other videos. I mean, if you want to learn English, if you want to speak English, they're gold. Believe me. Believe me. Okay. Just, yeah. Okay. Yeah, we're going to wrap this up. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye.